In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show archive projects in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, archive a project for demonstration, and then filter your workspace to view archive projects whenever you need them. Archiving is great for keeping your workspace tidy without deleting important history. Everything stays preserved and searchable. Start by heading to Asana's login page and choose Continue with Google. Select your Google account to authenticate and let Asana take you into your workspace. Once you're in, go to the Home view. This is your central hub where you'll see recent projects and activity, making it the perfect place to access the project cards you interact with most. Before we can show archived projects, let's archive one so you can see the result. On the home screen, locate the project you want to clean up. Right-click the project card to open its Quick Actions menu. Choose Archive Project. Asana will move that project out of your active views so it won't clutter your day-to-day lists. Don't worry, archiving does not delete the project or its tasks. It simply hides it from active workspaces and makes tasks read-only, preserving comments, files, and history so you can reference them later. Now let's bring up the list of archived projects. Navigate to Projects. From there, click Browse Projects to open the full project directory for your workspace or team. This view gives you a comprehensive catalog of projects, and it's where filtering becomes really handy. At the top of the directory, find the Status filter. Open the Status menu and select Archived. Instantly, Asana will filter the directory to show only the projects that have been archived, including the one we just archived. This is the fastest way to review completed initiatives, reference past work, or confirm that a project has been properly tucked away. You can click into any archived project to review its tasks, timelines, attachments, and conversations. While you won't be actively updating tasks inside an archived project, it's perfect for pulling past context, copying details, or sharing a link with teammates who need background information. This approach helps your team keep focus on current work while maintaining a reliable record of what's been done. That's the full flow. Sign in with Google, go to Home, right-click a project to archive it, then head to Projects, open Browse Projects, use the Status filter, and choose Archive to display what you've stored away. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to show archive projects in Asana whenever you need them.